Okay, what I want to have a look at here is the form designer in Jamroom. It's a useful tool for the admin users to be able to change the way forms work, and it's important as a developer that you understand that this concept exists, so you don't build too much into your modules. What we're going to have a look at here is the video module. We're on the admin's profile on the video module, and we've got a test video here, and you can upload a new video by clicking the plus button, or a whole album full of videos through the create album button. But these are the options that are given: a title, the album name, and a video. And you might be tempted when you're building your modules to go and add in all the different things that you could possibly fit in there that might be related to a video file, but a better concept is to leave that alone and let the admin user add in what they need to. One of the questions that's been asked recently is, why doesn't the video module have a genre? Audio files have a genre, why doesn't the video have a genre? Well, the answer to that is because the admin can go ahead and add that very easily using the form designer. We're going to have a look at that now. So we're here in the create a video file on the create a video form. We click on the form designer and we can see the fields that were just there: title, album, video file. The title, the name of that is video title, album, video album, file, video file, and the type is text, select in text, and video. So that'll be an uploading file. Active, and it's required. So you can make new fields as easily as this: genre, create a new field, and with this checkbox checked, it's also going to add this same video genre to the update form. It's important to have it on both the create and update, or otherwise you wouldn't be able to update it after you created it. So we're going to add the field called video genre as the admin user, and now we get to choose what's it going to be called. Well, it's going to be called genre. Don't need this. Actually, we'll leave that blank and we'll put in the help desk. Type, it's going to be we've got a whole lot of different types in here: checkbox, date, time, file, editor, option list, password, select and text. Well, the audio, the album was select and text, so this is probably a good one for select and text as well. Select multiple if you wanted to fix your genres into one specific. If you wanted to define the genres for your users, you'd select multiple perhaps, but we'll use a select and text. Don't need to put any options in there. Default, nothing. Minimum, maximum, don't need it. Required, doesn't need to be required, and we'll save those changes. Okay, so now we've got that there. Genre, video genre, select and text, the same as the video album, and that's enough. So if we go back to the profile, we're back here. Good. There it is there. So if we're going to add a new video, we can either select one of the existing albums or add a new one, and jazz. Upload the video file, video 1, genre, put this one as welcome, maybe jazz there, and then the album is all the new testing bits, and create that. So that's going to be processed now, and once it completes being processed, run through FFmpeg to make sure there's a copy of all of the different formats that are needed for mobile devices and tablets and everything. Then it'll be ready, created and put out here on the profile, and from there you'll be able to use the template editor in the admin control panel Where's the videos? Media, video support. Templates. You'll be able to adjust the any of these details, any of these templates, and use that that video genre that we just created. So the main one is the item details template. And we can have a look, and we can output it here somewhere. That looks like video file, and let's just put it out here. H1. The genre is video genre. Save the changes. Just make sure that's being used. Okay. As the default template for everything. There we go. Active. Make it active. That's important. We're using this overridden template instead of the default one. Okay, so that should be active now. When we go back to this page and refresh, hopefully the video is finished being processed, and our template changes have also. The genre is jazz. So that's what. Don't create too much into your modules. Leave something for the admin user to adjust it to their site. They can add all of those different, even file uploads or editors. They can add all that extra stuff in by themselves. So one thing that you can't do though is to remove existing features that are created by the module from using that the form designer. So keep that in mind. Powerful tool for the admins to use.